I'm gonna show you the most delicious way you can take daily vitamins. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I like taking daily vitamins because, I don't know, it makes me feel like I'm doing something pretty good for you the older you get anyway. So I actually have tried gummy vitamins in the past, and I got these. They are alive! They're not really alive, but they call themselves alive. Hey, it's a multivitamin adult gummy, and the thing about these is that they make it really easy to take a vitamin because you can just chew them. You don't have a hard pill that you have to take with water or anything like that. Now, I've tried a variety of these, including some of the major brands as well as the Amazon ones, and I've even actually tried these already here. And I will say that the daily dosage recommended is to chew 3 gummies. It says that on the back here. This has 90 gummies in it, so if you do the math on it, this is about 1 month's supply on it. I just want to show it to you because I'm pretty impressed with these. This is what the gummies look like. There are at least 2 different colors, kind of this red wine color and then this little darker. And I think one of these is like a cherry and this one is a grape. And I will tell you, that these are some of the most delicious that I've ever had. And there's a couple things that I really like about this. You might be familiar with gummy bears that can be really chewy. These are much more like fruit snacks. You can bite into them and they separate really easily. You chew them up a little bit, they're easy to dissolve. You don't really feel like you're working through them. Unlike the Amazon ones, they aren't tart and bitter. I actually didn't like taking those. I kind of forced myself through that bottle because they weren't very tasty. But these are tasty. Just a little bit of tart, but they are delicious. And they just kind of come apart really easily when you chew them. So that just makes it that much easier. If you want to stay alive, use alive, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.